Hello, my friends. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to several peach farms across the United States. We'll discover the incredible process of growing and harvesting billions of peaches each year. The U.S. is a peach powerhouse, producing around 620,000 tons annually. Key peach-growing states include Georgia, California, and New Jersey, with California leading the way, contributing a whopping 81% of the nation's peach production. In California, peach trees are typically planted in the late winter or early spring, with farmers carefully planting about 142 trees per acre. Let's dive into the world of peaches and see the dedication and hard work that goes into bringing these delicious fruits to our tables. Right after planting, these peach trees are pruned at the top to channel nutrients to the roots and trunk, ensuring robust growth. These peach trees are only a year old, yet they hold the promise of future bounty. Most modern peach varieties require over 3 years to yield their first harvest. Throughout their lifespan, each tree needs a daily water supply of 1 to 1.5 inches to thrive. In 2022, around 73,000 acres of farmland in the United States were dedicated to peach cultivation. Come early spring, peach farms often spray their trees with pesticides to shield the tender new shoots from pests. This is the scene at a peach farm in New Jersey, where every year approximately 33,000 tons of peaches are harvested. Late February and early March mark a breathtaking period when peach blossoms burst into full bloom across most peach farms in the United States. With about 34 different varieties, yellow peaches stand out as the most popular. As the blossoms flourish, farmers meticulously prune the trees, leaving only 60% of the flowers. This careful process ensures optimal fruit density and enhances the quality of the peaches come harvest time. Annually, more than 2,000 workers from Mexico and Guatemala arrive in California to assist in this crucial task. Each worker prunes approximately 12 peach trees in just 30 minutes, earning an average of $13 per hour. Once pruning is complete, millions of honeybees are brought to the farms for pollination, costing between $150 to $200 per colony. A month after pollination, farmers assess the fruit density and remove any excess to maintain quality. For home gardeners with just a few peach trees, this step isn't necessary. However, on larger farms spanning 30 acres or more, it is essential. Around 100 days post-flowering, the peaches are ready for harvest. Imagine picking your own ripe, juicy peaches directly from the tree. Due to their delicate skin, peaches are hand-harvested by around 5,300 workers who flock to peach farms each year, earning between $11 and $16 per hour. This bustling harvest scene can be witnessed in places like Yakima County, Washington, where about 2,300 acres are dedicated to peach cultivation, yielding approximately 12,000 pounds per acre. According to USDA statistics, in 2021, 91% of peaches produced in Washington were sold fresh immediately after harvest. While most processed peaches in the U.S. come from California, Georgia peaches are renowned for their exceptional taste, consistently rated as the best. One bite of a Georgia peach and you'll taste the difference. Billions of peaches are sent to factories for packaging or processing into delicious products like canned or dried peaches. In Georgia, peaches are carefully washed and disinfected before being packed. The price of peaches in Georgia ranges from 80 to 90 cents per pound. processing of peaches is as fascinating as their cultivation and harvesting. Once the peaches arrive at the processing facilities, they undergo a series of meticulous steps to transform them into various peach products. First, the peaches are sorted by size and quality, ensuring only the best ones proceed further. They are then blanched to loosen the skins, making it easier to peel them without damaging the flesh. After peeling, the peaches are sliced and pitted, ready for their final form. Depending on the product, these peach slices can be canned in syrup, dried for long-term storage, or pureed for juices and baby food. The processing ensures that the peaches retain their natural sweetness and nutritional value, offering a taste of summer all year round. This transformation from fresh fruit to a variety of delicious products showcases the ingenuity and efficiency of the peach processing industry, bringing the delightful taste of peaches to consumers in many convenient forms. After about 13 to 15 years, peach trees in the U.S. are typically removed and replaced to ensure continued high-quality production. The process of cultivating and harvesting peaches is truly a marvel of agricultural expertise and dedication. In 2022, California's peach industry saw impressive figures, with a total production of over 600 million pounds of peaches. The revenue generated from this bumper harvest was approximately $480 million. 2023, despite facing some weather challenges, California's peach farms have already produced over 300 million pounds, contributing to a revenue of around $240 million. These numbers highlight the resilience and efficiency of California's peach farmers, solidifying the state's position as a leading peach producer in the country. How do you feel about the intricate process of cultivating and harvesting peaches? From careful pruning to the vital role of bees in pollination, to meticulous hand harvesting, each step ensures that only the best peaches reach your table. Have you ever visited a peach orchard, participated in the harvest, or simply enjoyed a fresh, juicy peach? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section of the video.